Hi everyone! Welcome back to our Hoxie Foxy English channel.
Hi, nice to see you again.
Likewise. Hello everyone, my name is Alicia.
And I'm Wayne, and today we are talking about business English expressions. We have 20 expressions that you can use at work.
Yes, expressions you hear at work, in meetings, in emails, and sometimes they are confusing. When I first heard them, I was like, wait, what?
Very confusing. So today we will explain everything, and we will use simple English.
Okay, the first expression I want to talk about is sweep something under the rug.
To sweep something under the rug means you hide a problem. You don't talk about it.
Yes, like dirt under a rug. You don't see it, but it's still there.
Example, a company makes a mistake, but they don't tell anyone. They sweep it under the rug.
So, not honest. Not good.
Next one, get cold feet.
This means you are scared, nervous. You change your mind.
Yes, you plan to do something, but at the last moment, you feel afraid and you don't do it.
Example, you want to start a business, but one day before, you get cold feet.
Your feet are not really cold. It's just a feeling.
Okay, next. The ball is in your court.
This means now it's your turn to decide or act.
Yes, I send you an email. I wait. Now the ball is in your court and you must do something.
You could also say, it's your move. It's up to you now. If you want to sound more professional, you could say, the decision is yours now. Please proceed when you are ready, or we are awaiting your feedback.
My next expression is pick someone's brain, which obviously doesn't mean that you will be performing a surgery on someone's brain.
This means you ask someone for ideas.
Yes, advice, experience.
The alternatives for that expression could be also, can I get your thoughts on something? Would you mind sharing your perspective? Can I run something by you? Or, I would love to hear your advice on this.
You could also say, do you mind if I bounce some ideas off you? I quite like that one too.
Next one, call it a day.
This means you stop working. You are done.
Yes, it's late. You are tired. Let's call it a day.
Very common at work. How about this one? Hit the nail on the head.
This means you are exactly right. Example, you say, the problem is bad communication. And I say, you hit the nail on the head. You could also say, you are spot on. That is precisely it. You nailed it. You totally got it.
Yes, perfect answer. And if you want to sound a bit more formal, you can also say, you read the situation perfectly, you identified the key issue, or you've captured the essence of it.
Now a popular one. Think outside the box. This means think in a new way. Be creative, be innovative. Companies love this expression.
Look at it from a different angle, not the usual way. You could also use slightly more professional alternatives like take an unconventional approach, explore new perspectives, or challenge traditional assumptions.
Next, get the ball rolling.
This means start something, a project, a plan, a meeting.
You could also use expressions like kick things off, get things moving, or let's jump right in.
A few more polished options are set things in motion, launch the project, or start taking action.
Our next expression is back to the drawing board. This means that your plan didn't work, so you must start again.
You could also say, we need to revise our approach. Let's reassess our strategy. Let's return to the planning stage.
Or a few more casual expressions like back to square one. Let's take it from the top. Time to rethink our game plan.
The next one is on the same page. This means everyone in the team company understands the same thing. No confusion.
You could also use equivalents like we are in sync, in agreement, thinking the same way. We are marching in the same direction. If you want to sound more professional, you could say We are aligned on this. We have a mutual understanding.
Next expression, touch base. I like this one. This means contact someone or follow up with someone.
Example, I'll touch base with you tomorrow about the proposal. You could also say, follow up, check in, get in contact, or reach out. Next one, move the goal posts. This means you change the rules or criteria to make success harder after the process has already started.
That's not fair. You could also use the expressions like change the requirements mid-process, redefine the objectives during the process, the expectations have shifted, and more casual like they keep changing the rules, or they keep raising the bar. How about the next one? Take it to the next level.
This means improve or elevate something to a higher standard. Example, we can take this launch to the next level by incorporating influencer partnerships and behind-the-scenes content.
Many businesses love this phrase.
Next, bang for your buck. This means good value for money. You pay a little, you get a lot.
Example, we want a campaign that gives us more bang for our buck.
You could also use alternatives like good value for money, high return on investment, ROI, cost-effective, worth every penny, a great deal.
The next expression is by the book, and it means to follow the rules. Example, she runs her department by the book, which means she follows every rule and policy very carefully.
You could also say in line with company policy, according to protocol, or more casual, following the rules, doing it the proper way, or sticking to the script.
How about this one? Ahead of the curve. This means you are doing something early before others. You are more prepared and proactive, usually by adopting new trends, technologies earlier than competitors.
The other alternatives to ahead of the curve are industry leading, at the forefront of the market, setting the standard, a step ahead.
Next, cut corners. This means you do something quickly, cheap, but not well. Usually you do so to save time and money, and often resulting in lower quality.
You could also express that by saying, take shortcuts, compromise on quality, do the bare minimum, do it half-heartedly.
Our next one will be play it by ear. This means you don't plan, you improvise. You decide later.
You could also say, we will figure it out as we go. Let's see how things go. Let's adjust as needed.
And now the next two together.
In the loop means you have information. You are informed and kept updated. As an equivalent, you could also say, keep me in the picture, keep me posted.
Out of the loop means you don't know, you are not informed and unaware of the latest developments. You could also say, I am not up to date with this. I haven't been briefed. I haven't been filled in.
The last one, raise the bar. This means increase standards, expectations, or quality levels.
You can also say, set a higher benchmark, take the standards up a level, aim higher, challenge the status quo. Wow, that was a lot.
Yes, but very useful.
Don't worry, you don't need to remember everything today.
Just listen again and maybe try one expression at work.
Little by little. Learning English is a journey.
And you are doing great.
Thanks for watching and listening. Bye.
See you next time. Bye.